What's going on here? They are fighting because they both want to sing first. Okay, let Tralala Tralala sing first. Wait, is our microphone Sprunky? Yes, my name is Mr. Microphone. Let's rock and roll! Tralala Tralala. Yeah! What are you doing? Wow! Oh no, my teeth! We will show you how to make this paper Tralala Tralala. It's super fun and easy. Is this a Sprunky surprise box? Huh? Where's the tongue Sakura in here? Randy, Awak, Donald, Dapple. Why is there a creeper in here? I want to tell you a little secret. Why are all these Sprunkies a square? I am hungry. Me too. Look, it's a creeper. Yum 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh no, Sakura is coming! And I can't move! No! Now we will quickly show you how to make these Sprunky cubes. It's super fun and easy! Why is there a shoe in the water? Oh, it's Tralala Tralala! What's he doing in the water? Hey, I see Randy is sinking into the sea. And Bailey is trying to save him. Something is getting closer to them. Wow, it's Tralala Tralala. I have a funny feeling about this. And he's about to eat them. Wow! Look, he didn't eat them. He brought them back to the land. Tralala Tralala saved the day. We will show you how to make this trick art. It's super fun and easy. Let's have a barbecue with the Sprunkies.
Jake, can I have one?
Here you go, 2 pounds. Can I have one? Thank you, bro. Now, what's my money?
What?
This is for you. This is a great barbecue party and everyone loves the fuse. Oh no, the fire is almost out. Don't worry, I have an idea. We can ask Mr. Tree for more wood. Wow! It's Tongue Sakura. Run! Wait, I have a much better idea. Yes, let's do it. No! We'll show you how to make a barbecue playset. It's easy. Look at my squishy iPhone. Which one should I pick? Let's put the Cinnamoroll iPhone case on. It looks lovely. And let's watch our favorite show together. Beautiful. He looks so cute. Huh? I'm gonna edit this photo to be as cute as Cinnamoroll. Huh? No, I'm not talking to Sakura. We'll show you how to make this squishy iPhone and a lovely phone case. It's super fun and easy. Yum, yum! What kind of pizza am I eating? It's super stretchy like rubber. Hey guys, help! Yes, we're here to help. make the sponge stretchy pizza. It's super fun and easy. Hey, SpongeBob! My tummy is now your trampoline! Let me show you how to make this SpongeBob paper craft. And then put orange bun on top. Is this how Daddy makes all these ingredients, Jake? No, Daddy will show us how to make it with everyday stuff. Jebin's falling asleep. Time to wake up, Jebin! And look at Vineria. Is she having a crush on Jake? Can you make me another Vineria pen, Daddy?
Okay, I'll show you how to make it.